Hello student, we will discuss today IUPAC naming of bicyclo compounds. Do you know what is it? Bicyclo compounds are those compounds in which two rings are present. Here see, draw the structure first. I have made a rectangle, and then on the top of the rectangle I made triangle. So this is first carbon, this is second carbon, this is third carbon, this is fourth carbon, this is fifth carbon. See here, this carbon is attached with three other carbons, so it is tertiary carbon. This fourth number carbon is also tertiary carbon. So I made a star here, I made a star here. Clear to you? Now you see, when I am making in this rectangle, I name it A, and this triangle I named it B, and the straight line I named it C. So what are A, B, C? These are three bridges. This is A, first bridge, this, which contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and bridge B, it contains 1, 5, 4, and bridge C is having 1, 4, 1 and 4, 1 star, 4 star. Clear? Now why I have given you this name? I told you that there are two rings. Now we will discuss about that this 1 and 4. So I have written C1 and C4. These star shows that these are the tertiary carbon. I told you presence of three bridges in two rings between tertiary carbon. That also I told you that there in these three bridges A, B, C are present in between these first carbon and fourth carbon. Now we'll discuss about bridge A, that is a square rectangle. So bridge A in this I have written 1 star, 2, 3 and 4 star. So it means second carbon and third carbon are present between the first carbon and fourth carbon. That is these two tertiary carbon. In between these two tertiary carbon there is two carbons. So that is why the 2 is coming from this. 2 is coming from the rectangle. It is 2. Okay. Coming from that 2 carbons are present in the first ring. Okay, now we will discuss about the second ring, that is triangle. Just wait, I will make a dash on it so that it will be easy for you. This is second bridge. Okay, so second bridge I am making here. See, this is second bridge in which I am making triangle. Okay, and to this rectangle I will say this bridge. This is first bridge. I am making rectangle here. Okay, and this is a straight line, so there is a straight line, no need to worry about it. So first A bridge, B bridge and C bridge we have to discuss. Clear? Now what will happen? See, you draw all these things, then see here, bridge A I have discussed one, there are 2 carbons in between tertiary carbons, so we have given number 2 to this. In the square bracket we have to write on first 2, that is first bridge. And then second bridge, that is triangle, 1, 5, 4, there is only 1 carbon, so number of carbon present, how many? 1. So I have written B, 1 is coming from B, bridge B. And then between 1 and 4 there is no any other carbon, so that is 0. So there is no additional carbon atom in between C1 and C4. So that is why we will write on 0 here in the last. This 0 is coming from the C. So now total name is Bicyclo 2, 1, 0. How many total carbons are here? 5. So it is pentane. Clear? 2, 1, 0, pentane. Now we will discuss second question. See here, this is, I made this bridge structure. Just wait, I will adjust it. Now, see, I made this hexagon and then I made this triangle over here. Now it is pentagon. Pentagon is first bridge, and this triangle is second bridge, and this straight line is third bridge. Clear? So how many total carbons are here? We will count this carbon also. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Now total carbon how many? 6. So I have given names hexane. H. Yeah, I am writing here hexane. Because from blue it is very light, so I am doing like this. Hexane. Now I made a square bracket. Okay, and first here bicycle, since two rings are there, so I made bicycle. And now what is we have to write on in inside the bracket, square bracket. So we have to discuss the, as in we discussed in the first case, that there are how many carbons in between tertiary carbons. There is one carbon. See, first carbon, one carbon, and this fifth carbon, where I have written A here, bridge A, that is pentagon. Here I made pentagon. See, I am coloring it with green. Okay, this is pentagon. So this carbon and this carbon and this carbon, 1 2 3, total 3 carbons are there, 2 3 4, that is 3 carbon, total 3 carbons are in between first carbon and fifth carbon. That is why we will write on 3 over here. I am writing 3 from first bridge. Clear? Now we will go for the second triangle. 1 5 1 6 5. How many carbons are there? Only one. I have written here. See here in bridge B, I have written from this. See, I am making circle, and it is a triangle. So this is first carbon, this is 5 carbon. So only one carbon is there. So I have written 1 over here. It is coming from second bridge, that is from triangle. And now third bridge, as we have earlier discussed, that it is a straight line. There is no any other additional carbon, so it is 0. We will call it 0. We will give name 0, and it is written last. At last we have to write on 0, or O. So total carbon are how many? 6. So we gave name hexane. So how many bridges are there? 3 bridges. Now I have written in this manner. You remember it, and you will find it very easy to do now. See, this is triangle, this is second bridge, this is pentagon. I made it with this. Okay, so this is pentagon. So there are 1 2 3 4 5. This is 5. So 1 2 3, 3 carbons are in between. I have earlier explained to you this. 1 2 3 carbon. So first A, this is coming from A. Here I have written 3. From bridge A, 3 is coming. From bridge B, 1 is coming. And from bridge C, 0 is coming. And hexane, total carbon 6. So hexane. Here I written at first hexane. That is suffix. Clear to you? I think now there is no difficulty you will find to name this bicyclo compounds. You can make a wave also here. So accordingly, how many carbon you can count, and you can write down in this B part, C part. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and try modified form of the bicyclo compounds also. All the best. And this is for IIT purpose only. Thank you. IIT or NEET or MCAT exams, one question is always they will ask about the bicyclo compounds. Thank you.